Hey guys, Nicknetwork rocks here, and today I will be making a commentary on CA2K2's commentary on Carson Anime 2K2's Salute on Redbound 2002. This commentary is going to suck big time, because this proves that CA2K can't handle opinions on Redbound 2002, as he claims that he always respects opinions, which makes him a hypocrite. But anyways, without any further ado, let's begin this commentary, shall we guys?
Hi guys. This is CA2K here. And today I will do a commentary on Carson Anime 2K2's Salute on Redbound 2002. This salute is going to suck big time.
Correction, this salute rocks big time.
Anyways, enjoy.
No, I will not enjoy this shitty commentary video.
Hi guys, Carson Anime 2K2 here. I'm here for my second salute on Redbound 2002. Also, one more thing before this salute. If you don't like Redbound 2002, then I would suggest you ignore this video right away instead of attacking me and his fans in the comments.
This proves you can't handle hate.
Stop using hate in the wrong context. Plus, this shows hypocrisy that you're claiming that Carson Anime 2K2 can't handle hate, yet you can't handle hate yourself. This shows hypocrisy you are.
I'm not bashing anybody's opinions, but it's just an advice.
No, it's not an advice.
Yes it is, you fucking idiot.
This proves you are bashing people's opinions on Redbound 2002.
Yet you bash Carson Anime 2K2's opinion by making this shitty commentary out of his salute on Redbound 2002. You hypocrite.
But, anyways, let's start this salute, shall we? Redbound 2002? Wow, this user rocks big time.
Correction. This user sucks big time like fucking niggas.
Correction. Redbound 2002 is an awesome user because criminals like you cannot be trusted. And also, this shows hypocrisy since you claim that saying the N-word is racist, yet you say it yourself. This shows hypocrisy you are.
I will give you reasons why I like him. First, he makes great YouTube content. Liar, liar, plants for hire.
Correction, his content is really good.
Second, similar to the first reason, he makes great rants, commentaries, and even salute videos. Liar, liar, plants for hire.
Correction, his videos rock because he's actually trying to give you guys criticism.
Third, he makes excellent birthday videos out of Hannah Flumbrand Animator, Vittoria the Beyonder 2003, Cherry Blossom 490, and other users he likes.
Actually, they deserve a UN happy birthday. Because they are criminals.
Two things. One, Hannah Flumbrand Animator, Vittoria the Beyonder 2003, and the others aren't criminals. And wishing them a happy birthday is heartless. And two, this shows hypocrisy once again that you're claiming that Hannah Flumbrand 19, Vittoria the Beyonder 2003, and other users deserve a happy birthday. Yet, you are a criminal to yourself. This shows hypocrisy you are.
Fourth, he makes good apology videos even though these videos were made in the past back in October 2020, January 2021. But regardless about what happened to Redbound 2002, he admitted his wrongdoings and I believe him since he should be forgiven.
No, he should not be forgiven.
Well, again, this shows hypocrisy that you're claiming that Redbound 2002 shouldn't be forgiven, yet you shouldn't be forgiven to yourself. Like you did multiple crimes such as attempting murder, sending death threats, etc. This shows hypocrisy you are.
His apology should be denied by everybody.
No, your apologies should be denied forever, you hypocrite.
Because he is a nigger, like you.
Racist much? Stop saying the N-word. It is racist.
Fifth, he called out Lawrence on YouTube, Sally Percy YT, for doxing Donnie Rapper Animations 2003's face reveal, which was the right thing to do since doxing somebody is illegal and you can get arrested for that.
Seriously, Carson Animate 2K2? Just wow. What a big liar you are, hypocrite.
He's telling the truth, you idiot. Redbound 2002 actually did the right thing, which is calling out Sally Percy and Lawrence on YouTube for doxing Anna Das Rapper Offline and Danny Rapper Animations 2K3's face reveal. Also, you're just using hypocrite in the wrong context. Stop using hypocrite in the wrong context, you idiot.
6th, he makes excellent grounded videos out of Bald Galu, Jake Animate, and Demileria.
Bruh, these types of grounded videos are cyberbullying.
How are they cyberbullying? I mean, they are fictional characters. Just deal with him making this grounded series, you idiot.
7th, he can handle hate or criticism just like Anna Das Rapper Offline can handle hate or criticism herself.
Liar, liar, plants for hire.
While this shows hypocrisy again, that you're claiming that Anna and Redbound 2002 can't handle criticism, yet you can't handle criticism to yourself. This shows hypocrisy, you are.
8th, he sometimes gives shout-outs to YouTube users whenever they want one from Redbound 2002.
No, he doesn't give shout-outs to people at all, you nigger liar.
He's telling the truth, you idiot. And he's actually giving cool shoutouts to users, so shut the fuck up, you fucking piece of shit.
9th, he doesn't forgive criminals, pedophiles, and perverts since they cannot be trusted or supported at any way.
He should support me, because I'm not a criminal.
Yes you are, so stop denying your wrongdoings, you fucking asshole.
10th and finally, the best part is that he gives criminals constructive criticism, just like anybody does when a criminal makes a cyberbullying video out of innocent user, claiming that an innocent user said the N-word when they don't have proof, which is being a hypocrite. Sends grounded or death threats to an innocent user which they both don't work, and etc.
Those are all faulty reasons. You need to give better reasons.
Actually, those reasons are valid reasons on why you guys need to get called out by Redbound 2002.
I hope that Redbound 2002 gets 1,500 subscribers soon.
Correction. I hope this user doesn't get 1,500 subscribers. I hope he gets terminated soon. I hope he dies in hell or gets kidnapped by a bully.
Seriously, Silent Sponge? I hope this user dies in hell or gets kidnapped by a bully terms are getting old nowadays.
And if I saw that he had a dog in real life, I would feed him chocolate.
Animal abuser match. You threatened to give Redbound 2002 stock chocolate if he had one and he saw it. You Grand Productions wannabe. And you can get arrested for that. And you also remind me of Peluchin Entertainment since he killed his own cat.
End of salute. I will be making more salutes whenever necessary. Like, comment, subscribe to see more content. This is me, Carson Anime 2K2, signing off.
Well, this salute was stupid, cringeworthy, nigger, and one of the most retarded salutes I have ever seen.
Correction. This has got to be one of the best salutes ever. Because Redbound 2002 is way better than you because he can handle hate and criticism and because he's good at criticizing you and your stupid friends.
And Carson Anime 2K2, if you are watching this, I hope this video will teach you a strong lesson, you nigger.
No, I hope this commentary will teach you a valuable lesson, you racist piece of shit.
And if you say that saying the N-word is racist, I will kill you in hell, call a bully to kidnap you, and feed your dog chocolate.
Can't handle criticism much? And stop sending the threats, you motherfucking piece of shit.
Because I can say the N-word whatever I want. Because I'm brown in real life.
Nobody cares.
Anyways, that's all for today. Thanks for watching this commentary. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.
That's never gonna happen, so suck it up.
This is Seal and Sponge, over and out.
Well, this has got to be one of the worst commentaries ever. And Seal and Sponge, if you're watching this, I hope this video teaches you a valuable lesson. But anyways, thanks for watching this commentary. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications for when I upload a video. So this is me, and I will see you later in the next video. So, goodbye!